Hello Zimbabwe, Wagwan Madi, it's your boy Talem and this is yet again an episode of Myoozika Mic Session. And today I have another artist. Talent. Yeah, ZimTalent, was it Zimbabwean talent? Yo, introduce yourself to the
Yo, ready when you're ready. My name is Maxpain, Mr. Destroyer, and I'm here representing Myoozika. This is a emotional song that I wrote. For someone. So I'm just trying to destroy their feelings.
Whoa. Without wasting much of your time, you're free to comment. Don't forget to comment, like, share. Always come on our platform Myoozika and Myoozika earn money while streaming. Also, if you're a content creator, you can post your content there and earn money. Yeah. This is your time now. It's your time now.
Ready.
It's your time now.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Maxpain, Mr. Again, Maxpain, Mr. Destroy. I go lift my hands open, baby. I surrender. When I go, Chingozi on Ndaenda. Cause this type of love, Versace, Gucci, Rima, Flambo. Wakandida inini murombo. I can only just afford kutenga stambo. But nezandiri uno dada nini. You always tell me kutunoda ini. Dinyombo share kutiko wakadi. I go lift my hands open, baby, I surrender. When I go, Chingozi on Ndaenda. Cause this type of love, baby, this type of love, Ndaenda. Baby, chimbonzwe inini chimboterera. Usaterere matsaga anoterera. Pauri wewe ndakaperera. Vanoti tichabuka na vanozvinyepera. I go lift my hands open, baby, I surrender. When I go, Chingozi on Ndaenda. Cause this type of love, baby, this type of love. I go lift my hands open, baby, I surrender. When I go, Chingozi on Ndaenda. Cause this type of love, baby, this type of love. Nakasiana malambo, Versace, Gucci, Rima, Flambo. Wakandida inini murombo. I can only just afford kutenga stambo. But nezandiri uno dada nini. You always tell me kutunoda ini. Dinombo share kutiko wakadi. I go lift my hands open, baby, I surrender. When I go, Chingozi on Ndaenda. Cause this type of love, baby, this type of love.